Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, we begin with news that former Member of Parliament Jolyan Silvera was this afternoon sentenced to 20 years and 10 months in prison for killing his wife Melissa.
The sentence was handed down by Chief Justice Brian Sykes in the Supreme Court today.
Now, today's sentence has largely been accepted, but there are some who wanted Silvera to get a longer time in prison. Now, we'll have extensive coverage of today's activities.
But first, who exactly is Jolyan Silvera? I took a look at his personal life and stint in politics. The name Jolyan Silvera became known to many Jamaicans when his wife Melissa Silvera was found dead in St. Andrew in 2023. But he was making headlines as a politician long before that. Jolyan Silvera won the 2011 election on a People's National Party ticket to become the Member of Parliament for Western St. Mary, his first and only stint as Member of Parliament. At the time, Silvera said he took the oath of office in 2012 with the greatest of expectations and plans to transform the constituency. But leading up to the 2016 general election, there was contention in his constituency. At the time, 69% of electors in the constituency reported that they had an unfavorable opinion of him, with fewer than 20% satisfied with his work over the past 4 years, according to the Gleaner. This was further confirmed when he lost the 2016 general election to the JLP's Robert Montague, and so he did not contest the seat in 2020. He also served as councillor for the Gale Division in St. Mary prior to becoming MP. As for his upbringing, Jolyan Craig Ian Silvera was born in England and raised in Jamaica in the same constituency where he served as MP in Pembroke Hall Valley, St. Mary. In fact, his family home was one of the 3 largest banana plantations in the valley, and Silvera always maintained that it was solely banana that afforded him a first-class education and a fulfilling childhood. It also explains why he pursued a career in agriculture and was known as a farmer and businessman. He's also the cousin of former Home Affairs and Justice Minister Noel Silvera, who served as MP for Central St. Mary. In December 2015, 3 years after Jolyan was elected as MP, he again made headlines. This time, it was a love story. He got married to then Melissa Patrice Walter in what this Gleaner article referred to as Melissa and Jolyan, a love that's meant to be. The Silveras had 4 children, all boys, during their union and lived in Diamond Court, Stony Hill, St. Andrew. But in 2017, a major disruption to their love story. A tragedy at their family home on August 29 claimed the life of one of the boys, Justin Silvera, who was 2 years old, who reportedly drowned in a pool. Fast forward to November 2023, the Silveras' chapter came to a brutal end. Melissa was found dead at the couple's home. It was initially said that Melissa died in her sleep from natural causes, and Jolyan wept bitterly at her funeral in January 2024. In fact, he was so emotional that his mother had to read the remembrance he had written to present.
Melissa Patrice Walter Silvera was born on September the 11th, 1981, was not merely a collection of moments within our home. She was the heartbeat. Her story, woven into the fabric of our family, unfolded with grace, determination, and a brilliance that illuminated every corner of our lives.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.